Russian Ministry of Defense praised the achievements of military personnel who restored communication under the artillery bombardment of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. The ministry particularly emphasized that Lieutenant Denis Domrachev used alternate communication channels to promptly relay information about the direction of the bombardment to senior commanders. According to information from Moscow, Lieutenant Ilya Zhirin, along with the communication unit, repaired severed communication lines, ensuring stable communication between command centers and Russian forces. During the enemy attack, which targeted command and observation points, attempts were made to render equipment and communication lines ineffective. However, Zhirin and his team quickly realized the negative impact of communication loss on command capabilities in the battlefield, and promptly took action to repair severed communication lines, replace faulty equipment, and ensure uninterrupted communication. The Defense Ministry also highlighted the success of another communicator, Guard Lieutenant Denis Domrachev. Under Domrachev's leadership, the unit ensured uninterrupted communication between the strategic control point and the reactive artillery brigade. When the unit lost a satellite communication station due to enemy fire, Domrachev promptly informed the senior command and requested fire support using alternate communication channels. Domrachev also organized the rapid deployment of multifunctional communication complexes to a field control point under artillery fire and continued operations on his unit's radio network. Thanks to the professional actions of Guard Lieutenant Denis Domrachev, communication channels were quickly restored, ensuring the stable control of subordinate units. The reorganized communication channels were used not only to assign tasks to units, but also to relay the coordinates of enemy firing positions for retaliatory artillery attacks.